Hello, welcome back again to Chef Huie's Culinary Television. Into in today's episode, I have yet another interesting recipe for you. Guys, this one is another Italian classic. I took this recipe and I guess you could say I turned it upside down. But today what I did, I took couscous, I took callaloo, and if you don't know what callaloo is, I will explain to you in a minute. But I took those two, I cook them up really well and I combine them together and I form a filling and make it into a summer squash couscous rollatini. Guys, I love YouTube. YouTube is the best. And there's a lot of great cooking on YouTube, but I don't think you will find this one on YouTube. If you find this one on YouTube, leave me a comment in the comment section. So let me explain to you what callaloo is. Callaloo is a green. It's very similar to that of spinach. It's a green leafy vegetable. It's very, very nutritious. The only difference, well, I would say the main difference is callaloo is a little bit more time consuming to prepare. You have to kind of strip it down. You have to cut it up. And so it's a little bit more time consuming. But the taste, I would say, is quite similar. And the looks is definitely similar. You can see it's very green. Callaloo, really good. I took scotch bonnet. I took garlic. I took onion. And I saute up this callaloo really good. And now it's fully cooked. It's nice and tasty. And then I took the couscous, 1 cup of couscous to be exact. I pour 1.5 cup of water on the couscous and I cover it for about 15 to 20 minutes. After that, the couscous was very soft. By the way, just so you know, or in case you didn't know, couscous is actually a pasta. Some people think it's a grain, but it's not. It's nice and round and it looks like a grain. It's not a grain, it's a pasta. So we are pairing a pasta with some vegetable and we're gonna wrap it in our zucchini and make it into a classic dish. And just to explain to you, the zucchini, I slice them very thin, lengthwise, stick them on in the oven for just a few minutes, just to get them really soft so I can wrap this filling in them properly. So we use our marinara and we soften it up. Now, guys, we have a nice filling here. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take this filling, gonna put it, I'm gonna make one more strip here. And I'm gonna take the filling. Now I am going to wrap the rollatini in the zucchini. And here we go. Now, guys, I'm gonna sit it right in the baking pan. There we have one. I'm gonna do another one right here, guys. It doesn't matter if your zucchini is broken. You could just lay them on top of each other like this. It's perfectly fine. Because at the end of the day, you're gonna be wrapping them over. So it doesn't matter. I'm gonna put some more filling here. Put another little piece of zucchini here. Guys, you could just take a knife and help you to wrap it. And now we're gonna roll the rollatini right over. We're gonna sit it right here. So now we have two in our dishes. Feel free to add enough marinara so it's not overly dry. I'm gonna make another 3 here. Right. So now all you have to do, just level it off. There you go. And now we have a dish. All we have to do is put some cheese on top, stick it in the air fryer or the oven. Doesn't matter which one you have, same result. So that's good right there. So guys, this is your summer squash couscous rollatini, topped with mozzarella cheese, and it's ready to go in the oven. Let me give you a close-up look just before it gets in the oven. Now I'm gonna walk over to my air fryer. That's it, guys. That's how you make summer squash couscous rollatini. You're gonna bake it for about 20 to 25, maybe even 30 minutes. You'll see how long it takes. Okay guys, so I think the rollatini is done. I'm gonna take it out of the oven. I'm gonna take a look and see how it is. I am not gonna taste it. I'm not gonna cut it because the rollatini is gonna be soft. It's gonna need to sit for a good 30 minutes and set. So I just want to show you what it looks like when it's done. Wow, what a masterpiece. Summer squash couscous rollatini. Doesn't look better, get any better than this.